Number 1. With reference to joint W1 between the manway, M1, and the flange neck on vessel drawing P9, what would be the correct option if the weld is to be made from the arrow side only using the GTAW process for the root and SAWR the fill and cap? The answer is D. Number 2. With reference to joint W2 on vessel drawing P9, which of the following options is correct for a set-in nozzle that is to be welded using GMAW from the outside with a compound weld and a back for sealing run on the inside? The answer is A. Number 3. With reference to joint W3 on vessel drawing P9, which of the following options is correct for a 16 mm leg length concave fillet weld, welded all around using the FCAW process? The answer is B. Number 4. With reference to joint W4 on vessel drawing P9, if we consider that the dished end is the second end to be welded, which of the following options would be most suitable if H&S, quality and production are all key factors that must be satisfied? The answer is A. Number 5. With reference to joint W5 on vessel drawing P9, a set-in nozzle is required with a single bevel butt weld made form the inside and a convex fillet weld on the outside made using the GTAW process. Which of the following options is correct? The answer is C. Number 6. With reference to joint W6 on vessel drawing P9, a set-in nozzle is required with a double bevel compound weld. Welded using the GMAW process with a concave fillet profile on the outside. Which of the following options is correct? The answer is B. Number 7. With reference to joint W7 on vessel drawing P9, a set-through nozzle is required with a double bevel compound weld with a concave profile on the outside and a convex profile on the inside welded using the GTAW process. Which of the following options is correct? The answer is D. Number 8. With reference to joint W8 on vessel drawing P9, the dished end, D1, is to be welded to the shell body prior to joint W4 being welded. Which of the following options would be best suited if distortion control and productivity are key factors to satisfy? The answer is C. Number 9. With reference to joint W9 on vessel drawing P9, long neck flange is to be welded to the shell from the outside using the GTAW process. Which of the following options is most applicable? The answer is B. Number 10. With reference to joint W10 on vessel drawing P9, a slip-on flange is to be welded to the nozzle F4 using the GTAW process with a convex profile on the outside and a concave profile on the inside. Which of the following options is correct? The answer is D.